Oh, it's FragWatch, FragWatch, the attack shark, swimming at you with the CM-03. FragWatch here. I just opened a CM-02. I ordered a CM-03 and a CM-04. Thought I was opening up, in a previous video I just recorded, thought I was opening up the CM-03. Turned out to just be another CM-02, so I got two of these. I might sell one. Maybe I'll sign it and sell it. Anyways, we're going to unbox this attack shark. And let's hope it's the CM-03. Hopefully they didn't send me another CM-02, but I'd be fine with that because that pad is incredible. Yeah, this looks like they did the right thing, and they don't have like the model number on here. Plastic sleeve. I got the maroon colorway. I don't know what the. Oh, that's actually really pretty. Damn. Oh man, that is a fast boy. Holy shit! I knew it was a speed pad, but actually, whoa! Look how cool. Wow. What? I have it on cloth, so this isn't a great. Oh man, that. It's pretty firm. It does have some give. Recessed edges. Very interesting. It reminds me of a Shinkai. That's saying a lot. It does. It feels like a Shinkai. There's no way. Wow. Wow. Okay. Yeah. I wonder how fast this wears out. That'll have to be a test for this. Wow. Okay. I definitely, for a lot of games, I'm going to like the CM-02 better, which is what this is. Yeah. But this is, like, very interesting. Ooh, that's very fast. This is faster, harder skates, though. These full Logitech boys. That's actually kind of exciting for me to try. All right. Looking forward to it. Here you go. This was viewer requested and moved to the top of the list at his request. So here we go. The Attack Shark CM-03 unboxing. I'll have initial impressions out after 7 hours of heavy gaming, competitive gaming use. And after 20 hours, I'll do my review. Catch you guys in the next one. Cool colorway. By the way, this is really cold to the touch. Like, this feels like a Shinkai. Okay. Take it easy.